Made possible by viewers who subscribe. We test, chart, and compare so your wallet wins. Hit subscribe to keep them coming.
Okay, so we're comparing the Philips 5400 LatteGo and the Jura Impressa C9, both super-automatic espresso machines, right?
Yep, both renewed models, which is something to keep in mind. The Philips is newer, released in September 2023, whereas the Jura came out way back in 2016. Big difference there.
Definitely. The Philips is available for $799, which seems like a decent price for a renewed super-automatic. What about the Jura?
Sadly, the Jura is currently unavailable. And honestly, even if it was, it's hard to say what the price would be given its age. A big downer.
Right, so looking at features, the Philips boasts 12 different coffee options at the touch of a button, plus that LatteGo system for easy milk frothing and cleaning. Sounds pretty convenient.
It does. And it has a coffee customizer to adjust aroma and volume. Even an extra shot function. Pretty slick. The Jura, being older, might not have all those bells and whistles.
Good point. Grinder-wise, the Philips has ceramic grinders adjustable in 12 steps and are rated for 20,000 cups. What about the Jura?
The description doesn't give specifics on the grinder, but it's likely a quality burr grinder given Jura's reputation. However, no mention of lifespan or adjustment steps.
Size-wise, the Philips is 15 by 10 by 17 inches and weighs about 18.5 pounds. The Jura is a beast at 21.6x 19.2x 18.8 inches, but the listing says it weighs only 0.01 ounces, which has to be wrong.
Haha, yeah, that's gotta be a typo. The Jura is definitely bigger and heavier, something to consider if counter space is limited. Plus, the Philips has a 4.1 rating with 41 reviews, while the Jura has only one review, but it's a perfect 5 stars.
That one review isn't much to go on, though. And the Philips has that easy cleaning LatteGo system. I'm leaning towards that one.
Me too. Newer tech, more features, and currently available. The Jura might be a classic, but the Philips seems like the better buy, assuming you can find it renewed and in good condition.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.